Hey guys, what's up, and welcome to another tutorial video. And today in this video, what I will be showing you is how you can open the community chest in Monopoly Go. So let's get right into it. To actually open your chest in Monopoly Go, there is a certain factor that has to be done, and that is time. Each community chest is available once a day. As you can see, my community chest opens itself in 8 hours and 30 minutes. As you can see, I can invite more friends, and the more friends you actually have, you can build a bigger community, get higher rewards, higher multipliers for your money, and so on and so forth. Now, as you can see, my chest is not ready to be opened yet, but when it actually is in 8.5 hours, below it there will be a big green open button. What you want to do is just press that, and then this screen will appear. Alright, so this is just a screenshot, and as you can see, this person has opened their community chest and actually started this minigame. One thing you have to keep in mind, guys, is that you need at least 5 friends to actually unlock this minigame. So when you actually get 5 friends or more, you can actually play this minigame and get your community chest rewards. Now, as you can see, this person has 9 friends, which is you can see that by the 3x3 grid on the screen, and in each of these fields there is a picture, the profile picture of one of your friends. To actually open this, this bottom yellow button for you, if you are playing in English, will say start, and you want to click on that. In the beginning you won't have these keys, as you can see on my screen here. You will have only your friends' profile pictures. Whenever you click the start button, it will at random select one of your friends. Once they get selected, you will either get a bonus multiplier for your money, as you can see in the top of the screen, or you will get a gift, as is the situation with the friend in the bottom left in this screenshot, and that gift will give you rewards such as dice and money. When you actually select each one of your friends, they will be replaced by the silver key, and for each friend you get a higher multiplier before you actually hit one of the keys. Once you hit one of the keys, what will happen is your community chest will open, and then you can retrieve any rewards that you've gotten, especially the big money jackpot, as you can see on the top of the screen. If you reach a 50 multiplier, you can also get a purple sticker pack, guys. That's pretty much it. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in another one. Goodbye.